How to get girls only on Ome TV for 2025. I'm going to tell you how to get girls only on Ome TV. First, understand that Ome TV matches people randomly, but the algorithm still uses location and behavior data to shape who you see. To tilt the odds, set your region filter to countries where more female users are active. Places like the Philippines, Brazil, or Eastern Europe often have higher engagement. Use a friendly, well lit video thumbnail, smiling casual, not overly try hard. If you're using a VPN, pick your server wisely to match the region you're targeting. In 2025, browser extensions claiming to filter by gender still really don't work. They violate Omi TV's terms and can get you banned. Instead, be patient, skip fast when it's not a match, and keep your vibe respectful and light. The app also learns from the interactions, so the more genuine convos you hold with girls, the more often you'll get paired with them.